Hello! If you would love to see how we made this delicious guinea fowl light soup, kindly watch the video to the end. I'll boil these garden eggs and onions for a while, then I'll go ahead and add the tomatoes and the peppers and allow it to boil. So I've already added the tomatoes to the boiling onions and garden eggs. At this point, I was just adding the peppers. I'm going to allow this to boil for additional 10 minutes. This is the guinea fowl meat I'll be using, and these are our onions, pepper, garlic and ginger. I'm going to blend these and add it to steam our meat. Our tomatoes, peppers, garden eggs and onions are ready. We'll blend this and keep aside. I've already placed the meat on fire. I'm adding maggi seasoning and salt to it. Then I went ahead to add the blended garlic, ginger, onions and pepper. After a while, I'm stirring the meat to make sure that everything is mixed up. So our meat has been boiling for a while. I'm now going to add our blended tomatoes, onions, garden eggs and pepper to the boiling meat. I'm just using this colander to remove the chaff so that our soup can be very smooth. Look at what we have left. I'll just add more water to remove everything from it. And guys, I'm not going to throw this away. I will be keeping it and using it for my stew. I added more water because this is light soup. So I'm going to cover this and allow it to boil. Wow, just look at that. It looks so lovely and delicious. So we are still going to taste for seasoning and then we adjust the salt and allow it to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes and then our soup is ready. Our light soup is ready. It's perfect. This is the consistency I want. You see that oil on top there? That's the oil from the guinea fowl meat and that's okay. So our soup is ready. Guys, we enjoy this delicious light soup with kokonte. Kokonte is prepared using cassava flour. And it tasted so delicious. Please, if you love what you see, kindly like this video and subscribe to this channel for more of this kind of videos. Thank you and bye.